the egg. It's a normal light brown cream color egg. Moving on to the types. A lot of people talk about that there's only one type and there's certain breed standards people want to follow in terms of American breed standard or UK breed standard. Ayam Cemani exists in different types. The most simplest way to describe it is the smooth feather type is the most simplest or the basic type or the original type of Cemani, if you would put it that way. That's a smooth feathered bird. I'm going to introduce you to a smooth feathered Ayam Cemani bird, which is called in Indonesia as Lidah Hitam. Now that's a bird that could be termed as a Lidah Hitam, despite having a bit of rough feathering on it. When I get to the stage where I'll be showing the other types, you can see the difference. Currently it's not easy to tell the difference. When you say Ayam Cemani, it means the skin of the skin color of the bird, it needs to be black, as it is in this case. There needs to be no other color in the feathers. It needs to be either all black or dull. Maybe a little bit of green sheen in the bird is acceptable. Too much green sheen does not help in terms of the fiber development. In terms of focusing on the bird, as you can see, the neck, the skin around the neck is all black. The comb itself is quite dark, black. The eyes, with eyes fully open, it should be dark brown or black, which is preferable. He needs to have straight, as you can see, five points in the comb, and the back of the head, it needs to be further away from the slope. When it comes to the beak, as you can see, is as black as it's supposed to be, or is it how it should be. The wattles, they need to be fully black. The more you can avoid mulberry redness in it, the better it is. That comes to refining the breed. The inside of the mouth, it's not easy once to join a bird. The vent, the skin around the vent, the darker it is, the better it is. Moving on to the legs. Most Ayam Cemani birds, they have a very small, shall I say, I always forget the name. Right, the legs need to be all black. The underside of the feet need to be black. I mean, my birds are usually on a hard surface, so they do sort of scratch around. That's when you tend to sort of lose coloring.